At sa pagkakataon to, kilalanin na din po natin ang ating mga Board of Judges. Umpisahan po natin kay Miss by isang membro ng choir. Ayan. Sumunod po si Mr. Berting Abad. Ayan. Si Mr. Rupo Petrasanta. Ayan. Mr. Rene Ilog. Si Miss Vilma Poblete. At syempre, isa to, masasabi kong isa ko ring mentor, ano po, si Ma'am, ang aming principal, si Mrs. Cholen Pilpil. Okay, ngayon po nalaman na natin ang ating criteria po natin ang kompetisyon. So para po sa ating mga contestant na narito, kayo po ay i-judge base sa napili nyong kanta, kayong lahat. So bali po, sa kanilang pag-judge, pipili po tayo ng 5. Okay, dun sa 5 pong yun, kakanta po uli sila. So, ang napag-usapan yata ay pwedeng yun po uli ang kantahin nila o kaya ay pumili sila ng panibagong kanta dun po sa ating magiging semi-final.
Pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo'y walang hanggan. Ikaw ang siyang dalangin ko sa Diyos kailan pa man. Kuminanta ang iyong bituin at sumikat ng araw. Ang kalayaan mo'y sumisigaw. Ang bukas ay tanging sa'yo. But was such a long time ago, a long time ago. But time and again, I still remember day after day when you hold me close to you. But they are just a part of yes.
Hello, maestro. Hello.
The bride from the heart, from my tears, I'll give it to you. Love, my everything that I wanted. I just wanna hear that wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I heard it sound, that wonderful sound. I keep it real, you know. It's time for me to do it on my own. Too many lies, and if you don't know by now, I can't go back to being someone else. In my life, oh God, not for me, not for me. Are you gonna be a thunder? Are you gonna be a doctor? Are you gonna go to heaven?
Hidiwag mo sanang sipin, ikaw ay aking idisanin. Di ko magagawang tumayo sa iyong piling. At nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Naisalan, mamahalin kailanman. Hanggang pag-ibig ko'y hanggang walang hanggan.
Ikaw ay aking pinag
Magbukas pa sa iyong buhay, sisikatin ang iyong araw. Ang landas ng puso't isip ko, ibibigay ko pang lahat. Mahalin ko lang muli, di ko kayang mawala ka, kasi ako'y iyong dinggin. Kung maaalala mo, nandito lang
There's not enough for me to love you. I'll spend a lot of lifetimes with you, giving much to you. There's nothing I want to. Forever's not enough for me. Sapat na ba ang ako ay mangako? Mananatili ka dito sa aking puso. Ano kita? I cigarette myself to leave at night and tell myself before it came. I know love had to turn out right, but now it's here. It's not the same. It's not the same. He fills me up. He gives me love, more love than I ever need. He's all I can. He's all I want in this world, but he's all the man that I need. And in the morning when I kiss his eyes, he holds me close. He won't let go. He won't let go. He fills me up. He gives me love, more love than I need. He fills me up. He gives me love, more love than I ever need. He's all I got. He's all I got in this world, but he's all the man that I need.